Okay, so this is my second video, and it's day 5 of the next 90. So I've commuted in the last 4 days, and I've had beautiful weather just like this every day. So it's been pretty easy, actually. A little bit daunting getting out of work, and you get an hour and a half staring in the face to get home. But it's been really, really good. But I guess the one thing to answer is, why am I doing this? And well, this is actually my third challenge, and in the first two I lost the weight that I wanted to lose, so I'm down 20 pounds, and I'm sitting at the weight that I was back in high school, to be honest, and feel better than ever. But I think that I continue to do this to prove that you can be in the best shape of your life at any time in your life, and that you can't take your health for granted. You might be feeling really, really good today, but if you're not doing the things that kind of ensure your health, then it can be taken from you quite rapidly. And we've heard stories, in all of our lives, time and time again, where one day someone's feeling great, the next day a diagnosis or something happens, and they go downhill very quickly. So being a part of the challenge and being part of ViSalus is very much about preventative health and about taking care of yourself today so you can live vibrantly throughout your years. So I guess that's why I'm doing it, to prove to myself and to be an example to others that you can, that your health is important, that you only have one body, you can't trade it in, and take care of it today so it'll take care of you, and life can be amazing. So anyway, here we go. I'm just about to hop on the bike here for day 5, and we'll get back with you soon. All right, talk to you later.